Good afternoon to all of you, my dear beautiful video viewers. Welcome back to my another English speaking video. Once again, before you, I hope that and I'm optimistic that you are passing very fantastic time with your family member. At the same time, you are learning English in a great way. Right now, I'm standing in my potato field. As you can see, this is my potato field. I have been working in my potato field since morning. As you can see, it is very hard work for me. It doesn't matter. You know that I'm cultivator person. That's why every day I have to work in my field. Every day I have to work in my another field. It is so important for me. You know that I am only one person in my family. That's why I have to work in my field. As you can see, it is so important work for me. Today in this video I would like to share with you some important matter. Today I would like to share with you about perfect time and about perfect place for practice your English every single day. You know that I always practice my English in my field. I always practice my English in my house, and it is my perfect place for make English video. Many people they ask me, brother, I have no perfect place, I have no perfect time, how I can practice my English every single day? You tell me. That's why I will share this matter. If you don't have perfect time for practice your English, for make English video like this way, you can practice. At the same time you can improve your speaking skill. Right now I'm standing in my field. At the same time I'm practicing and I'm recording my English content. Many people they don't practice their English every single day, and they always ask me, I have no perfect place. If you don't have perfect place, wherever you will stay, you try to describe all things you're behind this place, what you are seeing, what you are doing, what you are seeing in front of your eyes. You try to describe in English every single day. Like this way you can improve your speaking skill. You don't need a perfect place for practice your English. You don't need a perfect time for improve yourself. As you can see, I'm standing in my field. At the same time I'm practicing my English, because you know that I'm English learner. As well as I have to improve my pronunciation, I have to improve my speaking skill, I have to improve my learning English. That's why I have to practice my English anywhere. When I get free time, I try to go outside. I try to go public place for make English video for improve my speaking skill. Today I want to share with you. Today when I was staying in my house, when I was staying in my shop, that time I have learned many preposition from my English book, and at the same time I have sold different kinds of medicine from my shop. I'm staying in my shop. At the same time I'm learning English in a great way, because you know that it is my perfect time, it is my high time for practice my English. If you don't have perfect time, like this way you can improve yourself, you can learn English quickly. See you next video. This video is going to be long, because I will share this matter and I don't want to make it more longer. Stay safe, stay at home. Best luck for everyone.